In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Bank of America app. Whether you're looking to switch to English or Espanol, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition to your preferred language setting. Let's begin by opening your Bank of America app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, you'll need to sign in using your usual credentials. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection to smoothly log in without any interruptions. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the top corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon or a menu icon, often represented by the three-line hamburger symbol. A quick tap on this icon will navigate you to the options within your profile. Next, we need to delve into the settings, so look for an option labeled Settings or Profile and Settings and tap on that. If you see Profile and Settings right away, that's exactly what you want to select. This area allows you to personalize various aspects of your account, including the language preferences. As you enter the settings, scroll through the options until you see either language or idioma. Tap on it to reveal your language options. You can choose between English or Espanol depending on your comfort and preference. Once you've selected your desired language, don't forget to save your selection. You might see a Save or Guardar button. Tap on that to confirm your choice. After saving, the app might refresh automatically, or it could prompt you to close and reopen it for the changes to take effect. If it asks you to restart the app, simply close it and reopen to see the changes applied. While most sections of the app should now reflect your chosen language, there are a few areas that might still appear in English, such as the Erica Assistant or certain help screens. If you notice some sections haven't updated, check if there's an available update for the app itself. Updating the app can often resolve lingering issues with language settings not fully applying, and if the updates don't lighten the load, you can always reach out to Bank of America's support team. They're there to assist you with any technical challenges you may face during this process. That covers all the steps. Choosing a language that fits your personal preference can make managing your finances a more comfortable experience. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.